Right folks, this is what we have been waiting for. The very last swath of 2023 harvest. And my God, I will be glad to be fucking done. Yes, I swore, but I'm sorry, it's been a tough one. As we go, here's the chaser driver. Timbers. Well, here we go, people. Here we go. As soon as I get up the end here, it is game, set and match. Woo! I'll bother showing you, you ain't going to see bugger all. Here we go. And the final time, we are getting there. Dust is flying, she's feeding in. The very last straw. Of 2023 harvest. And here we go. Here we go, people, we're nearly there. My God, look, watch the paint dry. Here we go. Here we fucking go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeehaw! Thank God for that.